Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. With automations in Aweber email campaigns, you can set up certain actions to occur when something's triggered. Without anything selected in the campaign, the automations button on the right is a kind of global automation that will remove any subscriber who has a particular tag applied. So for example, if you want customers removed from your email automation, let's say you're trying to sell something, you can have the customer tag whenever that's applied when they buy to remove them from this email campaign. You can click on specific emails and add specific automations. From here you'd select a trigger, whether it's somebody opening a message or clicking a link in the message. When you select that trigger, then you can dictate what action happens. Are we going to add or remove a tag to this subscriber, or just remove the subscriber from a campaign? So for example, if we wanted to add people who open this email to the welcome tag, we can do that. And of course, you can do that with each individual email. So each individual email can have its own set of automations. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.